So to tell the battery percentage of your Logitech MX Master 4 mouse is simple. You just need to ensure that you've opened the Logi Options Plus app on your computer. So if you don't already have the app installed so that you can be able to make customizations, then simply do so, and I'll leave a video in the description down below guiding you through that process. From here, just go ahead and launch Logi Options Plus, and as soon as your app has detected your mouse and it's been connected, you should be able to see your mouse as well as the battery percentage it's on. So you can see here mine is saying 55% and even the connection type, which is the USB-C receiver. So here's my mouse. You can also just click on it like so. If you don't see this icon down here, you can just click on the mouse and you can tell the battery percentage in the bottom left corner of the app screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.